Hey, welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all for tuning in. I had a viewer to write in and wanted to know if these reels were worth anything. No, they're not. They make too many of them, and a lot of them you can't get parts for. The only thing you can do with these is tear them down, keep the parts, put the parts away in case you got one that needs to be fixed. This one don't work. It's got a lot of rust on it. Nobody took care of the inside of it, hardly ever greased it. The best thing you can do with these reels here is, like I said, is tear them down. If you got some good parts in them, keep the parts. But the best thing to do with them is what a lot of people do with them. I don't. I like to take all the parts out of them. But, a lot of people just throw it away. Hey, thank y'all for tuning in. I love y'all, man. Thank you for making my channel grow. Until next time, go fishing and happy RVing. All you sexy, pretty people out there, we'll see you on the next one.